So it's Sunday, the 26th of September, 2021, on a workshop day. It's a Sunday, it's sunny, it's a workshop day. And I've got 4 delightful participants, 3 from Bearwood, who knew, and 2 knew each other already, but 2 more knew each other already. So, and there's our Kathy. Kathy's finishing off something that she started 14 years ago, wasn't it? Is that right? No. So it's all very delightful. Little cute hedgehog with embellissement. Look at all these ceramics embellissement. Gives me a chance to look at it all. We got another Kathy here who's doing a beautiful goldfish. Beautiful. Very Nemo-esque, and she's used a drawing here and cut it out and used as her guideline. And then we've got Sue here, who's inspired by this beautiful Art Deco-esque rooster design, doing the score snap and trimming away. And there's our John here. John, hello John. See, they're all extroverts, but they've all gone very quiet. I don't know why. So, yeah, a little bee there. It's the bee inspiration. So this is what we've got today. This is all very delightful. Say goodbye, everyone.